Unlock a world of instant information and seamless actions, all hidden within those mysterious squares, as we explore the art of QR code scanning on your Android phone. First up, let's see if your built-in camera can handle the job. Why your most modern Android phones have integrated QR code scanning directly into the camera app. Open your camera app as you normally would. Point your camera at the QR code, making sure it's in focus and filling a good portion of the screen. Your phone should automatically detect the code and display a notification or a link. Tap on the notification to access the encoded information. If your camera app doesn't automatically scan QR codes, don't worry. Google Lens is your next best friend. You can usually access it directly from your camera app. Look for a lens icon. It usually looks like a square with a circle inside. Alternatively, you can find it as a standalone app in your app drawer. Open Google Lens and point your camera at the QR code. Google Lens will instantly recognize the code and display the information or action associated with it. Still no luck? Then it's time to bring in the big guns. Download a dedicated QR code scanner app from the Google Play Store. There are tons of free and reliable options available. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, open it and grant it the necessary camera permissions. Then, simply point your camera at the QR code, and the app will instantly decode the information for you.